In this video I'm gonna show you one very simple but yet very powerful trick to do in your build-ups in order to give them an insane upgrade coming up. What's up YouTube, how's everyone? I hope you're good. As I said in the intro, today I'm gonna show you something very easy and powerful for your build-ups. So without a lot of talking, let's get started. And also, if you are new here, consider subscribe because more videos like this are coming. So guys, the first thing we need for this is a kick. And make a simple build-up pattern. And then we're gonna need a white noise. And after that, a nice solid would be, I think, would be great. Then pitch up the lid. We are almost ready, and after that what we need is, from the audio effects, the gate. Grab one and put it on the operator. Click sidechain and select the kick. After that, do exactly the same with the lid. The gate does the exact opposite of the compressor. It allows the signal only when it hits the kick. If you click flip, it works exactly as the compressor. But if you don't click it, it works exactly the opposite. So guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. As you said, it was actually pretty easy, straight, simple, no big deal. Don't forget to subscribe, more videos like that are coming. See you next time.